For today's episode, iba yung setup natin. Kung napapansin niyo, sa kwarto ako ng friend ko. This is not my house, this is not my place. Kakatapos lang namin magpalipad ng friend ko. And then, para mag-stress relief, because I have to do an hour drive from Daytona. Andito ako sa Daytona ngayon. From Daytona to Orlando is about an hour drive. So before mag-long drive ako mag-isa, I'm gonna do stress relief and ang dami na po nagko-comment na panoorin ko na, pakinggan ko na. Ito na po, papakinggan na natin kasi for today's video, it's really special sa mga bulletins dyan, mga bullets. Hey, it's G22! Yes! So, ito na talaga. Parang dapat ata nandito yung view kasi magti-TV tayo for today's video. Alright, can you guys see me? Can you hear me loud and clear? Loud and clear. As of now, posted one day ago and it has 28,000 views. Ay! Wait! Parang hindi ako prepared! Pero nasa teaser yon. Yes! 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 And it goes sa buong, buong Philippine country itself. Hindi lang sa pagiging, pagkatao mo. Ganun. Yes! Yes! Ganun. Para sa bansa ko to. Ganun. Yes! Wait! Di na, Sorry guys, alam niyo naman na hindi naman ako legit na reactor, so I really need to do a pause, If you're new to this channel, I really have to do a pause, so bear with me. Sorry guys. That's my alpha! Oh my goodness. I just really have to pause. Sorry guys. Thanks, I talk. Shit, that's Althea. That's my girl, Althea. Well, ano pa ba, bukod sa vocals, I'm very, hindi lang ako, for sure, excited din kayo sa choreo. Hello, nakita niyo yung teaser. Wait! Yung background nakikita ko, that's Althea. That's Althea! AJ! Ah! AJ, may bias! Hello! Girl, kakatapos lang ng International Women's Day and this is so just chef's kiss! Chef's kiss! Hello? My God! What? Magko-comment dyan na OA. Hindi mo naiintindihan yung feeling ng pagiging fangirl. Ganun lang yon. Yes! Shit! Pwede ko tong gamitin, OST ng buhay ko. My goodness! This is my life official soundtrack. Yes, girl! Yes! finally, I found a song na para sa pagkababae, girl. Strong, independent woman. Yes, girl! Yes! Pag nakita ko sila sa concert, talagang i-hype ko sila dito sa song na to. Girl! Naingay na ako sa choreo, girl! Yung choreo! Ma-appreciate niyo yung voice dito ni Althea. Like, yung improvement ng boses ni Althea, oh my goodness! Wait. For the sake of the copyright. Jeez, just... Gosh! Wait, na-distract ako sa mata ni Jazz. Yung background, Jazz! Oh my goodness! Sobrang laki na improvements and I'm so happy and I'm so proud. Oh my god! Low notes ni AJ! Oh my god! Ang ganda! Also, I just want to say and acknowledge din na ang ganda ng Tagalog ni Jasmine. Pilipinong-Pilipino yung pagbigkas niya. I'm pretty sure na pinaractice niya din talaga how to pronounce yung proper diction ng mga Tagalog words. Kasi if you watch their vlogs, like yung sila-sila lang, yung mga Target Unlocked video series nila, ganon. May parts talaga si Jazz na pag nagtatagalog, it's like super strong ng accent niya. Which, I don't blame her. Kasi, yun talaga yung accent niya. Pero when she was singing the song na Palaban, like, very strong ng Filipino accent niya. I am so proud of everybody. Well, this is my personal opinion, no? Kasi, awa ko lang, fangirl lang siguro yun talaga. Sila yung maiilibel ko sa vibe or sa galing ng SB19. I know, kasi I've been a fan of SB19 since 2019. And then, madami na din naman ako. Hindi lang naman ako, no? Ang nakakakita ng mga similarities nila when it comes to performance, yung angas, you know, the vibe. The vibe is leveling. Ganun. So, guys, I can't wait to watch yung choreography or yung music video nila. So, if you're new to this channel, I really do hope na masuportahan nyo din yung G22 just like how you support your other P-pop groups. Kasi behind the camera and behind their projects, they're all friends. It's just the fans yung mga, you know, nagbibitawan ng mga kung ano-ano. Pero, you know, P-pop Rise, iisa lang naman yung objective nilang lahat. Ang maipakalat or what do you call that? Ma-introduce yung Filipino songs, Filipino pop groups, you know, P-pop groups, internationally and globally. Tulungan lang. Push natin, like, stream everybody's projects, stream everybody's hard work. I know we all have our different likes and dislikes when it comes to music, pero that doesn't mean that you have the right to bring down their performance or their hard work only because you like other groups. You know, that's crab mentality. That's Filipino crab mentality. Pangat lang tayo ng paangat. So, masyado na naman po akong sinabi. If you're new to this channel, hi! Welcome to my Diary of Taves. And I hope to see you guys around here. Bye!